1.
Sun Joe SB X3 1020/30 max PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5. Amp electric high pressure washer. Powerful 14.5. Amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 psi at initial discharge per CSA internal pressure testing and 1.76 GPM with nozzle open at minimum pressure of water flow. Water inlet pressure max 0.7 MPa. Versatile, tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. With two 0.9L onboard detergent tanks, removable tanks carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects.
2.
Karcher K1700 Cube 1700 PSI 1.2 GPM TruPressure electric pressure washer. 2125 max PSI power washer with 3 nozzles for cleaning cars. Outstanding performance, 12 tall and only 18 pounds. The K1700 Cube delivers 1700 PSI of true pressure, ensuring you get the highest level of cleaning power, and driven by a reliable universal motor. Also features an on/off foot switch for easy power control. The Karcher promise: cleaner, quicker operating at a powerful 1700 psi/1.2 GPM. The K1700 Cube is perfect for cleaning concrete, pavement, driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks, RVs, cars, boats, homes, fencing, and more.
3.
CRAFTSMAN electric pressure washer, cold water, 1700. Psi 1.2 GPM, corded CMEP W1700. Powerful cleaning, the electric pressure washer has 1700 max PSI and 1.2 GPM amps, 13 amp. Added benefit: the pressure washer gun comes with a soap applicator bottle for cleaning with soap. Storage organization: onboard nozzle, pressure washer hose, cord, and one storage. Keep accessories organized.
4.
Greenworks PRO20 300 PSI TruBrushless 2.3 GPM electric pressure washer, PWMA certified. JT Flow Technology 2300 maximum PSI with rapid rinse and high area reach, 50 more flow. Brushless motor, TruBrushless motor, and smart flow water pressure sensing technology, assuring you of the perfect amount of pressure delivery. 25 FT hose, kink resistant 25-foot hose, 35-foot power cord with inline GFCI for use on exterior outlets. Large 10 wheels for easy maneuverability.
5.
Greenworks 1600 PSI 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer, ultra compact, lightweight, 20 FT hose, 35 FT power cord, great for cars. 1600 PSI 1.2 GPM will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. Versatile, can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability. 20 FT pressure hose provides greater reach without sacrificing power. 35 FT power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets.
6.
Fancyall 1950 max PSI electric high pressure washer, 1.9 GPM electric power washer with 35 ft code and 20 ft pressure hose. High pressure washer, Fancyall high pressure washer with 1950 PSI 1650W, 1.9 GMP to guarantee high efficient work and keep you feel more easier. The pressure washer not only brings a greater comfort when cleaning the grease from concrete, heavy mildew stains, oil stains, rust from steel and other stubborn gunk, and grime, but also the electric pressure washer to help you to save valued time, energy, and water.
7.
Mueller pressure washers, electric high pressure washer, 2000 PSI, electric power washer. Power built to last. The Mueller Ultra Force electric pressure washer combines power, performance, and versatility to get your dirty work done. Powered with a 1700W air-cooled industrial motor that generates intense water pressure up to 1900 psi to blast through even the toughest dirt and grime. Durable and reliable with professional-grade IPX5 waterproof body, high-quality stainless steel wand, and leak-proof fixtures.
8,
PowRyte electric pressure washer, foam cannon, 4 different pressure tips, power washer. Outstanding performance generates up to 3,700 psi of water pressure and 2.4 GPM of water flow for handling even the most stubborn grime quickly and effortlessly. NCOR pump is durable, non-corrosive, and maintenance-free. 3-year warranty.
9,
PowRyte electric pressure washer, brass foam cannon, 4 different pressure tips. Outstanding performance generates up to 4,200 psi of water pressure and 2.6 GPM of water flow for handling even the most stubborn grime quickly and effortlessly. NCOR pump is durable, non-corrosive, and maintenance-free. 3-year warranty. Snow Foam Lance directly sprays foam. Cleansers don't pass the pump for longer pump's life, so you can use chemicals like bleach, vinegar, and etc. Thicker and dense foam stays on the surface longer for better cleaning performance.